Anthropic just dropped a video. The headline: 16 AI agents built a C compiler from scratch. No human intervention. Walked away. 2 weeks later, Linux compiling, SQLite running, they even played Doom. And look, that's genuinely interesting, but we need to talk about the gap between what they did and what they said. Because from scratch is doing a lot of heavy lifting in that sentence. Here's what from scratch actually looked like. The agents started with decades of C compiler history already baked into their training data. They were handed GCC's torture test suite, generations of edge cases assembled by the open source community. And they had GCC itself running on the side as a live reference to check their work against at every step, an answer key, a working reference solution, and decades of prior art already in the model's memory. That's not from scratch. That's an open book exam where the book is the thing you're building. The community caught on fast. The very first GitHub issue after release, Hello World doesn't compile, as in the example in their own README, broken. Someone in the thread noted that apparently expecting the README example to work is an unfair standard. The compiler also can't actually boot Linux on its own. The output exceeds the size limit Linux enforces. So when they say it compiled Linux, there's a quiet asterisk in there the size of a kernel panic. Here's what's genuinely frustrating. The real story is cool. 16 agents, mostly unsupervised, coordinating on a complex project for 2 weeks and producing something substantial. That's a real milestone in autonomous AI development. But that story doesn't write a funding headline. So instead it became, we built a compiler from scratch, and now developers are arguing in GitHub threads instead of appreciating what actually happened. The AI hype cycle has a format. Take something impressive, wrap it in language that implies 10 times more, release the video, let the discourse do the rest. Developers aren't impressed by magic tricks, they read the issues.
Smash the like button and subscribe if you enjoyed this.